Nelson Ledges was created by the glaciers about 24,000 years ago, and one of the few places left that's not covered by dirt of some sort. It's amazing how many tribes use this area. The Delaware, Shawnee, Miami, Seneca, Mohawk, Cayuga. And to think that it was one of the major trade routes. In our younger years, we probably would have taken every trail, but we pick and chose carefully. Nelson Ledges. Haven't been here for at least a decade, probably longer. Hey Mike, how you?
Hey, how you doing, bro?
Fancy meeting you here.
Yeah, we meet in the weirdest places, don't we?
As we continued to hike the trails and narrow passages, it brought back many memories of days gone by. I was a kid again. Normally shoot portrait, but guess what? You won't appreciate the scenery unless I shoot portrait. And somebody's following me. Oh my God, what are we gonna do? It's all right, I can handle. Ooh, there goes the sound. I feel the temperature drop. Yeah, it was already cool, probably. Maybe it got back into 60, but it's in the 50s down here.
I was in my 20s, I'd go through there.
Yeah, I think we already been over there though. Okay, more of the same, but this time I'll go portrait. Hey Mike, you can crawl through here. I'll film you coming out the other side. Right there. I know. don't know. We have to come back at night. Is that what you're saying? Yep. Holding on for dear life. For sure. Nope.
All the movies we saw in the 60s.
Look at that, man. That guy. Still, he barely holding on. Mosquitoes are bigger than us. Okay, nature has provided another crevasse. Yep. Another 10-degree drop in temperature. Don't you think?
I am sweating. I should have worn my shorts. I thought it was super cool the way it looked this morning.
Alright, now we have to go down. Haven't I had that conversation? I should put my phone away. Yeah, I made it down. Film safe environment here. Where's it go, Mike? Yeah. My drone does not like dark areas, so I had to resort to phone. That's it, Mike. Hey, if you're gonna fall, do it now. The camera's live. Here's the dilemma. Dead end.
I mean,
We could climb out. But guess what?
I don't know what's there. It might take us further away.
Let's go back down there.
As with all good things, well, there comes a time when it has to end, and we were close to the end of our ability to handle this terrain. Thank all of our viewers and subscribers, and look forward to giving you many more adventures.